I am a professional adventurer, and this is my channel. Today I will be sharing with you how to backpacking through Iceland for 1 month on a budget of just $1,500. Welcome to my channel. Subscribe and like this video. Let's go! Iceland is a land of fire and ice, a place where towering waterfalls meet vast volcanic deserts and black sand beaches contrast against snow-capped mountains. It is a place that has captured the imagination of adventurers and dreamers alike. But what many people do not realize is that you do not have to be rich to experience the magic of ice. You can have an unforgettable adventure here, even if you're on a tight budget. And today I'm going to show you how. In this video, we will cover everything from planning your trip to getting around, finding cheap activities, and most importantly, experiencing the stunning natural beauty of this amazing country, all without breaking the bank. So if you're ready to embark on the adventure of a lifetime, then let's get started. The first step to backpacking through Iceland on a budget is to plan your trip at the right time. Iceland is a beautiful country year-round, and each season has its own unique charm. However, if you're looking to save money, then the shoulder seasons of April to May and September to October are the best time to visit. Not only will you avoid the crowds and the high prices of the summer months, but you'll also get to experience the stunning landscapes in a whole new light. Imagine witnessing the northern light, dancing across the sky, or feeling the crunch of snow under your boots as you explore a winter wonderland. Plus, you may even spot some adorable puffins during the spring and fall migration season. Once you've decided on your travel dates, it's time to book your flight. Flights to Iceland can be expensive, so it's important to start your search early and be flexible with your dates if possible. Consider using budget airlines or traveling to nearby countries like Denmark or Norway and taking a bus to Iceland. If you're feeling adventurous, you could even try hitchhiking, which is a popular way to get around Iceland, especially among backpackers. When it comes to accommodation, there are plenty of options to choose from. Whether you're looking for a hostel, a guest house, or even camping, there are a variety of budget-friendly options available. You could also consider staying in a unique Airbnb, like a cozy cabin in the woods or a lighthouse overlooking the sea. To save money on transportation while in Iceland, consider renting a car if you're planning to explore the countryside. However, keep in mind that gas prices can be expensive, so it may be more economical to rent a car with a few friends and split the cost. Alternatively, you could use public transportation such as buses or hitchhiking to get around. Now, let's talk about activities. There are plenty of free or low-cost things to do in Iceland. Hiking is a great way to experience the stunning landscapes, and you can find trails that cater to all fitness levels. Don't forget to check out the many hidden waterfalls, natural hot springs, and volcanic areas that Iceland has to offer. If you're feeling adventurous, you could even go glacier hiking or ice climbing. Back in Reykjavik, explore the city's vibrant art scene. Visit the many free museums and galleries or wander around the charming streets and colorful buildings. Don't forget to check out the local markets where you can buy fresh produce, delicious food, and unique souvenirs. And when it comes to food, Iceland may be known for its expensive restaurants, but you can easily find budget-friendly options if you know where to look. Visit supermarkets to stock up on groceries and prepare your own meals, or visit local bakeries for affordable pastries and snacks. Street food markets are also a great option for cheap eats, and you can find everything from hot dogs to fresh seafood. And don't forget to try some traditional Icelandic dishes like lamb soup, fish stew, and rye bread. These hearty and flavorful meals are not only delicious, but also very budget-friendly. Finally, here's some bonus tips to help you make the most of your trip. Be flexible and open to new experiences. Some of the best memories are made when we least expect them. So don't be afraid to deviate from your plans and explore new places or activities. Talk to the locals. Icelanders are known for their hospitality, and they'll be able to point you in the direction of hidden gems that you might not have otherwise discovered. Take advantage of free activities. There are plenty of free things to do in Iceland, from hiking to exploring the stunning landscapes. So don't be afraid to take advantage of them. Look for discounts and deals. Many attractions offer discounts for students, seniors, or members of certain organizations. So be sure to ask before you pay full price. And most importantly, backpacking through Iceland is an adventure of a lifetime. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the ride. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please do you and forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more travel tips and hacks. Safe travels!